A tunnel boring machine, TBM, is a large machine that excavates tunnels with a circular cross-section through a variety of soil and rock strata. It can be designed to bore through hard rock, wet or dry soil, or sand. TBMs are used in a wide variety of tunneling projects, including subways, highways, water tunnels, sewage tunnels, power lines, and pipelines. They are a safe and efficient way to excavate tunnels, and they are becoming increasingly common in tunneling projects around the world. A TBM consists of several main components: a rotating cutter head with a series of cutting tools that break up the ground in front of the machine, a conveyor belt or screw conveyor that carries the excavated material away from the cutter head, a tunnel segment erector that installs the tunnel lining as the machine advances, a hydraulic system that powers the machine's movement and rotation, a control system that monitors the machine's operation and allows the operator to control it from a remote location. The cutter head is the most important part of the TBM. It is made up of a series of cutting tools that are attached to a rotating drum. As the drum rotates, the cutting tools break up the ground in front of the machine. The excavated material is then carried away from the cutter head by a conveyor belt or screw conveyor. The tunnel segment erector is responsible for installing the tunnel lining as the machine advances. The tunnel lining is made up of precast concrete segments that are assembled to form a circular tunnel wall. The segment erector picks up the segments from a conveyor belt and places them into position around the cutter head. The hydraulic system powers the machine's movement and rotation. It also provides the power for the conveyor belt or screw conveyor and the tunnel segment erector. The control system monitors the machine's operation and allows the operator to control it from a remote location. The operator can use the control system to adjust the machine's speed, direction, and rotation. There are several different types of TBMs, each designed for a specific type of ground condition. The most common types of TBMs are earth pressure balance, EPB. TBMs are used in soft ground conditions, such as sand, silt, and clay. The EPB TBM uses a slurry of water and bentonite to lubricate the cutter head and carry away the excavated material. Hard rock TBMs are used in hard rock conditions, such as granite and basalt. Hard rock TBMs use a series of rotating cutters to break up the rock. The excavated material is then carried away by a conveyor belt or screw conveyor. Slurry TBMs are used in mixed ground conditions, such as sand and gravel. The slurry TBM uses a slurry of water and bentonite to lubricate the cutter head and carry away the excavated material. The slurry also helps to keep the ground in place behind the cutter head. TBMs are a safe and efficient way to excavate tunnels. They are used in a wide variety of tunneling projects around the world. The type of TBM used depends on the ground conditions that the machine will be excavating.